If you're talking to a young person and you're talking about a show, you go, "What channel does it come on?" They're like,
"What?
Listen, boomer." Say what channel comes on is like saying like, "Yo," that's like hearing like someone making a phone call, be like, "Connect me to Klondike 774." You gotta upgrade. Every now and then Netflix will get you, and it'll be like, you'll be like, okay, you know what? I got like 40 minutes before I gotta go to bed. Let me just watch something. Next thing you know, it's 4:50,
bro,
and Netflix is looking at you like garbage. Like, open your mouth, let me spit into you, piece of garbage. You want to stay up some more? You're like, yes, daddy. Give me another episode, daddy.
Open your mouth. I'm gonna spit a documentary in it.
No.
Yeah, you want a documentary about
some knowledge?
Yeah.
You want knowledge?
Yeah. Eat that.
Thank you, sir.
Take that.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy it.
Next episode.
Yeah, GMO.
Now it's very aggressive. Now it doesn't even like stop and ask you. It's like, nah. The next episode's starting in 5 seconds.
Right now, nigga.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, boom. Too late. You too late. No backseas.
You trying to press circle, nigga? Psych.
I'm like, stop, please. Please, my kids are hungry. I don't want any more BoJack. They're like, you gonna finish this shit. Okay?
It's fucking responsibility.
Okay?
You started it. You signed up for this shit. Okay. Finish it.
You're like, motherfucker. I'm just like, why are you bullying me? That's why I like Hulu. Hulu's without pussy.
Hulu's like, yo,
Hulu's like, hey.
Would you like to?
Hey, am I hurting you?
Hey.